In this video, I'll show you how to create an invoice in Wave. First, log into your Wave account and open the business you want to use. Next, go to Sales in the left sidebar and select Invoices. Now click Create an Invoice to start a new invoice. Select the customer you want to bill, or click Add a Customer if you need to add a new customer. After that, enter the invoice number, invoice date, and payment due date. Next, go to the Items section and select the product or service you're charging for. Enter the quantity and price, and Wave will automatically calculate the total. If you need to add another item, click Add a Line and enter the additional product or service. Now review the subtotal, taxes, discounts, and total amount to make sure everything is correct. You can also add a memo or additional information for your customer. After that, check the payment options and make sure they are set correctly. Once you've reviewed all the details, click Save and continue to save the invoice. Finally, you can choose to send the invoice directly to your customer by email. Before sending it, make sure the customer's email address, invoice amount, and due date are correct. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create an invoice in Wave. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.